everyone, this is Innichkachef and welcome to my kitchen. Today's episode we are making something with kids. We have workshop, kids workshop, and we're making gluten-free chocolate cupcakes. They're so delicious, so healthy, good for you, with sweet potato frosting. This is almond flour. Some smell it?
I mean, do you want to mix it?
Can you smell it? No! Love it, I love it. Yes, yes. We need to crack into bowl with sugar, okay?
One more ingredient that's
Oh, doesn't matter. It will work no matter what. Vinegar smell.
We've been having fun.
Smell?
You've got a good sniffer.
That's nice.
What shapes are those?
Green. I forgot. All right. I want you to peel and add to the blender. Yeah, you already did. This is probably for carrot. We need to add to the blender. Everyone have done that? Perfect. Good job. Wow! That's good. And tell me if we need more.
I think we need more.
Need more sugar?
Yeah.
I think we add way too much cocoa. Up.
They're popping up. This one.
Do something outside and
No, you're done. Give it to me. Yeah, now look at that. Thank you.